Before you begin, remove the top cover, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Using a flat, non-conductive tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Lift the webcam board off of its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replacement. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Gently press down on the webcam board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board. Important. Ensure the webcam cable is properly routed through the routing channel on the display enclosure.